And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back.
And we back, and we back.
Hello lovers and friends, happy Valentine's Day. If this is your first time watching me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications. And also share this video and give this video a thumbs up, especially if you like this little look that I got going for y'all, okay? I'm mad souped. I love pink. It's a little simple, you know? It's a little simple look. It don't take that long to do. But the liner is everything, okay? Hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial that I got for y'all. Starting next week, we'll be returning to the scheduled program. Videos every Monday, I think Wednesday and Saturday, or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, either or. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and yeah, happy Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh, guys, this is my third trial. First of all, this is my third trial at this Valentine's makeup tutorial. This is my third trial. Let me do this while I talk. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna be using the 88 matte color eyeshadow palette by BH Cosmetics. And these brushes aren't clean because I'm going to use pretty much the same colors that I used for my second trial. I'm going to talk about that what happened the second trial, why that did not work out well. So I'm going to use this orange as a transition color. I am not going to do the same exact look as yesterday's. I'm going to like do something simpler. Well, for today, I mean, you know, I'm going to do like a 30 minutes or less slay. But yeah, and I got these new brushes from Wish.com. So Sunday night, right, I was doing this. I was like doing my little makeup, and it was like a complicated look too. It was like I did like a half cut crease, and I was doing this, and when I'm doing this right now, you can see like, okay, it's just a transition color. You can see the color and everything, but like when it came to like details, like the little details that I was doing, you couldn't really see what I was doing at all. Like my hand was in the way. I have to remember to like look down and do my makeup so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So that's the second thing that happened besides the battery dying for the first trial. That's why I didn't like put the video up at all. Well, I couldn't, and because the footage was not that great at all. It really wasn't. So that's what happened the first night. The second night, with Monday night, with the second trial, yeah, my memory card got full. So the other one's in right now, so it's whatever. And besides, I heard I can format my memory cards. I was freaking out. I didn't know that I could format memory cards until this morning. So, but I did capture like the whole tutorial from beginning to end, but it was not focused. Like half of my footage was out of focus because I was like, because this was like actually zoomed in, and I'm already close, kind of close to the camera. Wait, maybe I should like, I'm scared now. No, I'm gonna lean back because I don't want that to happen again. Because if I get too close to the camera, it's gonna like be out of focus. So, and I was just too close to the camera anyway. So that footage, like most of my footage of the makeup tutorial was out of focus, so I had to delete everything because it just looked crazy. So yeah, those were my struggles these past 2-3 days. This bubblegum pink color, it's so pigmented. You see red though. That was from last night. I was like, yeah. I'm gonna like mix a red though, not mix a red, but like put a red in my on my lid. So I'm gonna put this like right above the crease, because that first color was like more so right underneath, like on my brow bone. So this is just gonna be on the crease and above it, because this is gonna be a simple look. I'm just doing like a regular wash. Wait, is it regular? I'm gonna add glitter liner, but I'm like, I need to do something simple. And you know what else is crazy? When I was doing my little research, I did find out that, oh shoot, why do I keep doing? I've been doing that a lot lately. I got spit, I guess. I got spit in my mouth because I keep talking, whatever. But I found out that these cameras like will shut off after 11 minutes of filming like footage or whatever. So, and it's true, like yesterday and the day before I had to like, it kept stopping. Like after, whatchamacallit, 12 or 13 minutes have been captured of video, like it'll just stop by itself. I have to go get the camera, go get it from where it is right now, and and like record again, like pretty much press the record button and put it back where it needs to be. And hopefully it's in like the right place. Hopefully I'm still centered, you know. That is annoying. Why did I get a mirrorless camera? It was after I bought the camera. I was like, I need a mirror. Like, and how I set everything up, I can't really put a mirror behind it. I'm gonna have to adjust everything. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I just got my ring light when, like Saturday. I tried to start filming Sunday. I could have done that Saturday too, but I tried to start filming. I really could have done that Saturday, but yeah. I tried to start filming Sunday. It's on me. Oh, I heard. And now we're here. It's what, Tuesday? Goodness gracious. All these external factors are not. I mean, if I had started doing everything Saturday instead of Sunday, I probably would have had a video out by now, like Tuesday night. I have some out of focus photos. I have some out of focus photos on my Instagram too, but they look nice. Like some out of focus photos look real nice. Like it's like a nice aesthetic. So I guess that's gonna be a bit of my aesthetic now. I'm not gonna post out of focus photos all the time. No, I'm really not. But I'm gonna have a photo of my, well, by the time this video gets up, I'm gonna have a photo of my eye makeup. So y'all can check that out at JeanAngelXO on Instagram. And they're on Snapchat too. I have more on Snapchat. Right? Yeah, I do have more on Snapchat for some reason. I'm using this color on my lid. I'm so confused. It's like this brush is sucking up all the product. I don't understand what's... Let me use my finger because I don't understand what's going on.
In my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out.
Ooh, that liner look popping. Hopefully it looks the same on the other eye. This wig is not blended. I don't know what to do. This little brush came with my highlighting package. I think it's perfect for like inner core highlighting. I had tried to use these two highlighters from the e.l.f. highlighting palette, but they're a little too chalky, so I was like, never mind. Let me just go get some Fenty Beauty. They look like a mess. I love this blush though, this blush palette. I already started putting some of it on. I don't really wear blush all the time, but I think for like Valentine's Day, it's a must to wear blush. I like my background. I made it myself. So this is Tuli by ColourPop. I use this as like to outline my lips. I kind of wanted to do like a little ombre effect, and then I put a strip in the center. This is like a perfect look for me. And I used this as well. This is kind of weird to use because this lip cream is a different texture, like a totally different texture. But they're all matte, so you know, except this one. Is this matte? I don't remember if strip is matte or not, but Yeah, I used pretty much these two bottoms alone. Yeah, pretty much these two more so, cause I don't know if this will actually mix with the other two. But yeah, I had glitter in my hair in the other clip. I think I took it out. I think it's out now. Shoot, I think it's out now. Oh, yeah. But yeah, that's my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video.